Hey whales, good morning. It is Wednesday, May 14th. Let's go over and break down HIMS for today's trading session. And just to give you an idea in terms of how I'm doing so far for the month of May, doing really well. Up 9.1K USD, on pace for about a 300K year. Majority of my trades have been across high volume names like HIMS, Tesla, Palantir, the S&P 500. And you can see in terms of the calendar view, started off the month really strongly, and hopefully I can keep up the momentum for the rest of the weeks here. So again, if you guys want my actual day trades as well as swing trades, I do both. You got to come join Discord, guys, right? I give my exact entry ideas every single day. For instance, for Tesla, you get the exact entry zones, stop losses, targets, everything that you need here to succeed. And we do swing trades as well, right? So we're already up 22% on Microsoft, 11% on Adobe. We just got into other companies as well. And another signal today. So come through and you'll see all of that. And yeah, looking forward to trading alongside you. All right, so let's break down HIMS. So HIMS, of course, we had this major uptrend for wave 1. So this finished the macro cycle, coming down for this correction for wave 2. And you can see now we're constantly in an uptrend. We broke this cycle of the downtrend, right? You saw that break above. Now we're working on a potential 1, 2, 3, 4. And for this fifth wave, we're going to ultimately break to all-time highs. We're getting some really great signals that, instruments like the DAX, the Germany index, as well as the S&P starting to have a V-shaped recovery. So HIMS has sort of been a leading indicator where if it can continue going up in this straight line, we're ultimately going to try to break towards all-time highs. Now, we have this amazing trendline support that's going to be supporting price along the way. We also have this sort of intermediary support as well that's going to support price along the way. So what does this mean? This means that any dip should be a buy, guys. All right, any dip should be a buy against this trend line, against this larger trend line. And I do think we might get that wave 4 coming in soon, or even a smaller consolidation level. So typically on an uptrend, right, you get expansion, and then you get sideways action, expansion, and then sideways action, expansion. So that's sort of how uptrends work. So during consolidation phases, when it goes sideways, that's when you want to get in. So let's see how HIMS consolidates and continues pushing forward. But in my opinion, we're going to break to all-time highs and yeah, eventually make a lot of money together. So looking forward to continuously updating you guys on HIMS. And again, come join Discord. The link is right here, and I'll see you guys there.